Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me an email with these file. If I want to print these separately, like 1, 2, 3, and tell the laser if identical pieces, but I want to engrave them separate to gain time for whatever reason to tell the laser to do that. Well, one, you could do it with color mapping, but that takes so long to me and doesn't always work. So I'm thinking this would be a good scenario if you wanted to test speed and power to see how it will look on a wood. And I did contact him back, and he has an Epilogue Fusion. So if you will select one of the items and go to print, and I don't print from this, so I'm going to go and turn this into a Fusion. And right here, there's a selection. So if you hit preview, it's only going to print that one. Now my page size is different than the one in the file. So if you do not have something selected and you go to print, see, I don't ever use this for a laser. The selection is not highlighted because you don't have anything selected, so it's going to print all 4 of them. So to do that, you've got to have one of them selected and then go to print. I need to figure out, well, I print from, I don't want to really change it. But now the selection is where you can see it and you can preview that print. Of course, the size of the bed, you need to determine because it's going to print it way down here. So we need to figure out that page size, and it might just have something to do with my setting on this. Anyway, so you've got to have, it's going to tell you 600 dots per inch, and then you're going to, change your settings just like you would normally do anything else. Talking about not a very good picture. This is an outstanding piece of graphic because it's doesn't have any white background. It's perfect. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.